Hi everyone, this is Parul. Today I want to share with you a quick yoga sequence which you can do if you're short on time and you still want to do your yoga. Okay, with that note, we're going to start our practice for today. Make sure you're sitting comfortably, cross-legged just like this. If you want to have some space, you can take one leg out and sit like this, or you can sit on your cushions. Okay, whatever way you plan to sit, make sure you have length in your spine so you're not rounding your spine when sitting. Okay, your shoulders are relaxed and you're going to close your eyes. Take a few seconds to relax your body, relax your breath. Just observe how you're breathing. Just observe your body, observe your breath, building in some awareness for your practice. Then slowly take some deep breaths in, breathing in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Taking long deep breath, breathe in and breathe out, lengthen your exhalation. Let's take one more deep breath here, breathe in and breathe out, lengthen. And if you want to take some more deep breaths, you can sit here, pause the video and take some more deep breaths. And once you're ready, just open your eyes gently. Okay, let's start. Taking the right elbow down, left hand over your knees, left palm facing down. We're stretching our sides. Keep breathing. Activate your sides because we normally are moving backward and forward always. We don't get any opportunity to stretch our sides. It gets tight. It can lead to low back stress as well. And then you press into the right palm, come on the left side, same thing. Right hand over your ears, right palm facing down, keep breathing. And then you press into the left palm, come on. Okay, we're going to release the compression from our spine and our back. Take your arms up, breathe in. Join your palms together. Release the compression that builds up in your spine. Keep breathing. And breathe out, hands down. Okay, two more times. Breathe in, arms up, breathe in. Stretch your arms up and breathe out, hands down. One last time, breathe in. This time, let's go slightly more deeper. Interlock your fingers, push your palms up, breathe in. Breathe out to your right. Breathe in to your center. Breathe out to your left. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, get your palms at the eye level, pushing your palms out. Keep breathing, opening your back. And breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, release. Okay, let's do a nice back bend and sitting position. So take your palms by the side, fingers wide open. Pressing into your palms. Fingers pointing forward. Pressing into your palms. You're going to get the shoulder blades in. Take your head back. Shoulders relax. Breathe. And then you open your chest. Keep breathing. Getting a nice back bend and sitting position. Keep breathing. And if you want to go deeper here, you could lift your hips up, push your hips forward. Your head is still back. You're breathing. And then you gently come down. Resting your hips back on the mat. We're going to do the counter pose of this. So you're going to fall forward now. Take your arms up, breathe in. Lengthen your spine, breathe out, forward fold. Let your arms forward, take the weight back towards your hips. Keep breathing. Go as far as your back is comfortable. And then you gently get your arms in, breathe in. You're going to twist to your right, left hand on the right knee, right hand back, shin the right shoulder back, twisting to your right. So make sure you're not just twisting your neck, you're twisting from your trunk. You're breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come to the center, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out to your left, right hand on the left knee, left shoulder back, keep breathing. and then you gently come back to the center. Okay, we're going to go for shoulder stretch now. So I'm going to turn like this. Interlock your fingers. Okay, push your palms down. Just like this. Yes. As if you're trying to touch the mat. It's okay if you don't touch it. Releasing the tightness from your shoulders. Keep breathing. Take your arms up. Breathe in. And breathe out. 2 more times. Breathe in. And breathe out. 1 more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. And this time we're going to take our arms up again and we're going to fall forward. So maintain the stretch in your arms. Take your arms up. Breathe in. And we're going to fall forward. Breathe. Don't worry if your head is not touching the mat. You're breathing. Maintain the stretch in your arms. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release. Okay. Let's do a stretch for our neck. Take your arms up horizontal at the shoulder level. Palms back. Head back. Breathe. Open your chest. Feel the stretch at the front of your neck. Stay here for 5. Make sure you're breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently getting your head to neutral position. Interlock your fingers. Put it at the top of your neck. And gently get your chin to the chest. Stretching the back of your neck this time. Elbows in very gently. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently come up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release. Now stretching the sides of your neck. So take your hands, put it at the right side of your head and gently leaning to your left. Feel the stretch on the right side of your neck. Keep breathing. Be gentle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come to the center. Release your left hand. Take the right hand on the left side. Lean to your right. Feel the stretch on the left side of your neck. Keep breathing. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come back to the center. Release your hands. From here, we're going to get into cat and cow, which will help you release your back. So, palms underneath your shoulders, fingers wide open, knees under your hips. Okay, from here, and breathe in, stomach down, arc your back, chin away from the chest, shoulders relaxed. And breathe out, chin to the chest, making a C with your spine, looking towards your belly button. Do this 2 more times. Breathe in, arc your back, shoulders relaxed, chin away from the chest, rocking your back. And breathe out, chin to the chest, making a C with your spine. Keep breathing, looking towards your belly button. And one last time, breathe in. Arc your back, shoulders relaxed, chin away from the chest, keep breathing. And breathe out, rounding your back, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Breathe. And then come back to the center. Okay, we'll just warm up our core quickly. Left hand out, right leg out. Keep breathing, pointing your right foot. Keep breathing. And then you get your left hand in, right leg in. Left leg out, right hand out. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your right hand in, left leg. Tuck your toes. We're going to get into downward dog. Stretch our hamstrings. Knees up, hips up. Push your hips back. Keep breathing. So downward dog is a great stretch for your hamstrings. Keep breathing, pushing the torso towards your thighs. Feet pointing forward, inside of your arms, closer to your ears. Excellent stretch for your hamstring. Keep breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from here, we're going to gently rest our knees down, taking your hips back towards the heels. And then you're going to just relax here for a few seconds. Catch your breath. Keep breathing. A great relaxing pose.
Just stretching your thighs, your ankles. Then from here, gently come up,
coming on all fours, and then from here we go sit down. So this is a quick yoga sequence, and you can end this practice with one pranayama practice, okay? So we practice Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Take your right thumb gently, pressing your right nostril, and breathe in through your left. And breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. And breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Time, breathe in through your right. And breathe out through your left. You can gently release your hands. Let your eyes be closed for a few more seconds, or if you have time, you can close it for slightly longer time as well. Just observe yourself now, observe your breathing, observe your body again. Reflecting back on your practice. And once you're ready, open your eyes. So this was a short yoga sequence that you can practice anytime during the day. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Namaste.